Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at some price action trades we had in the ES today. This is our 240-minute chart, and you can see this chart is in a downtrend. We're making lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, and pushing down. 5 and 13 crossed to the downside. Now the 50 is above the 200. The fast and slow line on momentum have crossed to the downside and have actually crossed underneath the zero line now. And today we triggered in a reversal doji. You see we had this little pullback, set up the reversal doji. A reversal doji is a doji that has the high higher than the previous bar, finishes in a doji, and then the next bar triggers it to the downside. That makes it a reversal doji. And you can see in today's session, this bar, we triggered the reversal doji and the ES pushed down. So we were looking for short trades based off of our 240-minute bias. And then here's our 30-minute chart. And right in here was the US Open on this bar. And you can see we had some kind of wild action. It pushed down, then moved all the way back up, leaving a bottoming tail, showing a reluctance to sell. Right here we had buyers step in. And ES kind of pushed higher until right here. Then right here we got a high low reversal bars. The high was higher than the previous bar's high. The low was lower than the previous bar's low. So we had a high low reversal bar. This bar opened right here at the top, closed way down here at the bottom. The bar that triggered that was this bar, and this was another really bearish bar. Opened at the top, pushed down through one level of support, which is our 200. We know that the 200 and the 50 EMAs are both significant support and resistance. Pushed through that support, and actually closed underneath support. So really bearish price action right here. The way you would trade this is on this high low reversal bar. When it closed, you're looking for a break of the low of that bar. The low of that bar was 39.20 and a quarter. This bar triggered you in, and then we just start trailing the top of each bar. Bar trail is a couple ticks above each bar upon our entry. You can see we worked our way down, left a bit of a bottoming tail, then opened right here, little topping tail, pushed back down again and hit our target. You can see our target was 39.0275. This is off the MQ gravity lines. And at the time we hit our target, you can see we had hit significantly undervalued for the second time. So this is definitely a good place to take our profits, but not a bad trade. Again, the entry is the break of the low of that bar, which was 39.20 and a quarter. Our target was 39.02 and 3/4. So that's just a little bit more than 17 ES points or $750 per contract. And that's just simple price action off of our 30-minute chart. Again, we had the high low reversal. We triggered it with a really bearish bar, and at the same time we triggered bearish inflection on momentum, which even confirmed this short even more. We had bearish inflection. Fast slow line had already crossed to the downside, so we had bearish momentum, and then we had the bearish inflection as this bar was triggering the short. So that was a good momentum confirmation for this short to the downside. We pushed through resistance, worked our way lower, actually hit significantly undervalued, pulled back up, hit it a second time at our target, and again, a very good place to take profits. So again, depending on how you manage your trade and exactly how you entered it, you definitely had the possibility to grab at least $750 per contract trading price action.